How to turn off save stories to archive on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off save stories to archive on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here just go down. Here you will find stories, click on it and then just click story archive. And now all you need to do is just click this one, save to archive, to turn it off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.